Hi! Today we will talk about 4 easiest states process of NCLEX for foreign nurses. Welcome to my Nurse Insight. Many international nurses aspire for career growth in the USA due to economic opportunity and freedom. However, processing requirements to be a licensed nurse is quite challenging. It needs more patience. Each state's licensing process are different. I'll give you the best or easiest states to process NCLEX-RN for foreigners. First, New York. New York is one of the best cities. It has diverse culture and popular in arts and world-class restaurant. RN salary according to Incredible Health site are about 12% higher than the national average, which is about $93 annually. NCLEX-RN sit-down process. No need for English proficiency tests. SSN number is not required also and CGFNS neither. And you must have certification of foreign nursing education, certificate of infection control and child abuse, verification of other professional license and certificate and identification card or passport. Processing time, eligibility in a week to 8 months. Complete online application. Other documents from school and from licensing office must be sent directly to BUN. Visit BUN site for more information. nysed.gov. Second, Connecticut. Connecticut is one of the original 13 colonies of the U.S. It is best known for highly ranked universities, which made the state quality of life consistently ranked among the top states in the USA. In terms of processing the exam, it is also considered one of internationally friendly. RN earn 6% higher than the national average at around $82 yearly. The NCLEX RN sit-down process. No need for English test and SSN. But you must have CGFNS, identification card and other documents, and a completed nursing program that meets the requirements outlined in regulation of Connecticut state agencies. Check their site for more information. The processing time, eligibility within 20 to 25 working days or 1 to 2 weeks if with CGFNS. Online application only. Visit ct.gov site or Connecticut BON. Third, Northern Mariana Island or Saipan. If you're aiming a quiet, peaceful, and safe place, Saipan is a good spot. It is known for many volcanoes. NMI is one of the U.S. territory. NMI NCLEX-RN application is uncomplicated for foreign nurses who opted this state. The NCLEX-RN sit-down process, no need for CGFNS. English proficiency test is not required also and SSN number. Must have certificate of nursing education, official transcript, high school education, and identification card or other personal documents. The processing time, eligibility in a week to 8 months. It depends. Notarized application form submitted by mail along with other documents. Visit BUN site. Fourth, Montana. Montana is called the richest hill on the planet Earth. It has the most beautiful wildlife and abundance in mineral source. Incredible Health site notes RN earns 11% lower than the national average RN salary, around $82 annually. However, it says to be the 8th best state in the nation of nurses. The NCLEX RN sit-down process, no need for English proficiency test and SSN number. But you must have CGFNS for international nurses and fingerprints or background check and official transcript of education sent to BUN directly from school. The processing time, eligibility received for about 30 days or a month if all requirements completed. Online application and visit Montana BUN site for more information. A friendly reminder, Proverbs 2:6, for the Lord gives you wisdom. Thanks for watching. God bless. Subscribe Nurse Insight.